Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. Today we will show you how to post full TikTok on your Instagram story. Let's go! So first and foremost, let's go to the TikTok app and choose the TikTok you want to save and to post to your Insta story. So I will choose this one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on TikTok, HardReset.Info. We hope that this channel is really interesting. So let's choose this video as an example. I need to tap on it one time. And later, let's save it to our phone gallery. How to do this? Of course, we need to tap on the three dots icon here at the right side of the screen and pick on the Save Video button. Wait a minute, please. Perfect. Right now, let's check if this TikTok is definitely saved. Yes, everything is okay, and we have this TikTok on our phone Photos app. So right now we can go to the Instagram and we can smoothly and successfully add this TikTok to our story. So how to do this? Of course, as usual, we need to go to the stories page, tap on the gallery and choose the last video from the gallery app. As you can see, this is our downloaded the TikTok. Let's pick on it one time. Of course, this is our TikTok. Remember that if your saved TikTok is too long, you will have 2 or more stories, but you will have the whole TikTok on your Instagram. Later, you can choose your story or close friends, but also I can tap on the arrow and save my choice again after tapping on the dot. And of course, tap on the share. And done. Wait a minute please, and let's refresh our Instagram to check the result. Go to our Insta story, and right now, as you can see, we have our perfect TikTok. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and of course on TikTok. And we hope that this guide was interesting and useful. Bye bye!